Reading Comprehension. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill were lost in the forest. They tried to find their way out of the deep forest. They followed the bluebird and listened to its song. Suddenly, Jill shouted, "Look, Jack! There is a little house." Inside the house, there was food on the table. Jack and Jill were very hungry. They started to eat the food. Just then, the door opened and an old woman came in. She was a wicked witch who ate little boys and girls. She grabbed Jack and threw him into a cellar. Then she made a big fire in the oven. She tried to see if it was hot enough. Just as the witch was not looking, Jill quickly pushed her into the oven. Comprehension questions. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Jack and Jill were lost in the A. Mountain, B. Forest, C. Field, D. Sea. Question 2. What did Jill see? A. Jill saw a little cave. B. Jill saw a palace. C. Jill saw a castle. D. Jill saw a little house. Question 3. Who came in when the door opened? A. An old woman. B. A monkey. C. A little girl. D. A policeman. Question 4. What did the witch like to eat? A. She liked to eat strawberries. B. She liked to eat noodles. C. She liked to eat little boys and girls. D. She liked to eat porridge. Question 5. What kind of girl was Jill? A. She was a brave girl. B. She was a timid girl. C. She was a nice girl. D. She was a gentle girl. Let's check your answers. Question 1. The answer is B. Forest. Question 2. The answer is D. Jill saw a little house. Question 3. The answer is A. An old woman. Question 4. The answer is C. She liked to eat little boys and girls. Question 5. The answer is A. She was a brave girl. Well done!